Hello everyone, my name is Sandhya Prasad and this video is my presentation for the BinaryFolks remote assignment, and I'll be recording this video answering the questions given to me, and I'll start now. So the first question is, do you have any specific skill which will be very useful specifically for the job role you have applied for? So yeah, I like this. Yes, I have a strong foundation is in HTML, CSS, and Java, JDBC, and MySQL. I have worked on projects like airline management system, travel management system, and where I handle database connectivity, logical building, and real world workflows. So yeah, along with the technical skills, I am patient, detail oriented, and willing to learn, which I believe is very important to for this role. Moving on to the next question. If you are given a work with which you really love to do, how many hours can you do it at a stretch? How many max hours can you do it in a week? So I will I will do it for 4 to 5 hours continuous with uh, very small break, like for 5 minutes in 1 to 2 hours. It depends what type of work it is. If I have, like, if I have built some interest, then it encourage me to do those works. So that the max hours I can so the maximum hours which I can work uh, in a week is around 25 to 30 hours approx. But if I love it, then I will enjoy it and work with more free mind without any stress. I work with, like, I may take few more hours to complete it because I am more invested. The next question is, what are your hobbies? So my main hobby is drawing. I like drawing, I like painting, I like playing with colors, just imagining things and feeling those world which I create on my own with my choice of colors, which I think I feel like it's a therapy to me. But nowadays it's coding is my one of the hobby that I have built so long from my college years. I started to understand the back-end story, back-end design of any software, and how things work, how mobile phone works, how desktop works, and everything, like how world works, like not the colorful world, but how it works behind the scene, which is not which we can't see through our eyes, but there are minds who are creating those world, and it fascinates me more. So the fourth question is, how do you define success in your professional life? So for me, success means that uh, whatever I'm working with, whatever tasks have assigned to me, I'm enjoying those work. I'm enjoying those tasks. I communicate with others. I communicate with my colleagues, where I can learn new things, continuously growing with in my technical skills or any other skills. I want to learn new things in my I mean, parallel to my professional life. That's, for me, is the success for in my professional life. So the fifth question is, how do you ideally spend a weekday? So nowadays my weekdays are like wake up. I have a habit of assigning a list of tasks I want to do in a present day. Then I write it down on a paper, then start my day and continuously doing what I want to do, and that's it. Eating, coding, sleep. So the sixth question is, how do you ideally spend a week? So how do you ideally spend a weekend? I go out on walks, walking at evening, uh, which I don't go on my weekdays. It's like my cheat day from my basic weekdays routine, and I try to uh, meet my friends, which I I don't get chance to meet on my weekdays. They have their work, I have mine. So I go and meet them and eat pani puri and just talk about what's going in and talk about everything. For me, that is my weekend. So, describe one of the biggest qualities for which you have received appreciation from others, from whom and when. So, the biggest qualities that I have uh, got appreciation for is my discipline and being obedient in school. My teachers used to love me, and they used to say that I'm very obedient, and they used to tell me that I have a bright future ahead. And my parents also tell me that I'm obedient and I work with discipline. I acknowledge my mistakes and try to improve them. And this is what my father told me, that I have that courage, that when I realize my mistake, I have that potential, and I show that potential that I can correct those mistakes and grow in my life. Eighth one, describe one of your biggest shortcomings uh, for which you have received constructive criticism from others, from whom and when. Shortcomings is like my weakness. The biggest shortcomings are my overthinking, that I overthink a lot. If there is something I am excited for, uh, I have that excitement before that, and when I have to face those things, I I get a bit nervous. If I have any parameter in my head for that situation, and after that situation, then I compare myself with those parameters and start my overthinking, which is like my biggest shortcomings. It's just my overthinking, uh, which I try to control, and I think I have controlled it a lot. Mostly those criticism come from my friends and my mother. I have came a long way, so I think I have a better control on my overthinking now than my past self. So the ninth question is, who all are there in your family, and describe what they do professionally in detail. So I have my father, my mother, and two siblings. uh, so my father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife, and I'm the elder child, and I have two siblings. I have two sisters, and they they are still studying. One of my sister is in college and another one is in school. 10th one, what do BinaryFolks do, and when and how this company started? So, as per my understanding, BinaryFolks is a custom software development company that works with international clients to build SAS, service as software products, and provide digital transformation solution. And the company focuses on solving real business problems using technology rather than offering generic solutions. The 11th question is, why do you want to join BinaryFolks? I want to join BinaryFolks because it works on real world projects with global clients. I believe this environment will help me gain practical exposure, improve my technical and communication skills, which I'm still practicing, and it will be a more push. It will be a great push to my communication skill and my technical knowledge, and group of professionally in a structured way. So the 12th question is, where do you see yourself 2 years down the line? So in 2 years, I see myself as a confident professional with stronger technical skills and contributing independently to projects and understanding real world software development workflows. Where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? In 5 years, I want to be the most confident version of myself in technical knowledge, technical capabilities, and who can take ownership of responsibilities, guide others with experience and knowledge. And 14th question, where do you see yourself 10 years down the line? So there is a very big age gap between this present day and that that Sandhya, which will be in 10 years. But I see myself that uh, I may be holding a very great position in tech world as a senior, uh, as a senior technical official that who is capable of uh, uh, taking technical decisions, or I mean have ability to create new things. uh, I want to contribute to both technical and decision making aspects of organization. What is your opinion about WFH and WFO? Or if you are asked to pick one, which one will you pick and why? Okay. If hybrid is not an option, that I know, person like me, I prefer to work from home because it allows me to focus better, save time rather than traveling to and fro from office to home. It's better to sit at one place and work in my environment where I'm comfortable with. I feel more productive when I work in a comfortable and controlled environment. As long as communication and accountability are maintained, I believe work from home deliver strong results. If you were given the option to pick any city from where you want to work for the next 5 years, which would you be your dream city and why? I want to work in environment of Bangalore. I want to see how people work there. I have heard so many things that IT sectors are growing, and the people there are so much into tech as a working professional. But yeah, it's good. So now we will be moving on to the next question, which is what is the main purpose of product A? So the main purpose of product A is to help service-based business become the most trusted and best reviewed option in their local market, so they can capture 80 to 90% of local search traffic. It does this by increasing positive reviews on high-impact platforms like Google, making business the obvious choice when customers search generic service keywords, improving visibility on search, Google search and Google Maps. In short, product A converts search intent into leads by leveraging reviews and online reputation. So the next question is, what is the USP of this product A? So the USP of the product A is intelligent, frictionless review system that removes every obstacles customer face while leaving reviews. It automatically detects which review platform the customer already has an account on. Prioritize local reviews for maximum SEO impact. It directs happy customers directly to the correct review page, and it intercepts negative feedback before it becomes online. It ensures 100% authentic customer written reviews. So in short, this is a mixed review generation faster, easier and more effective than traditional email or SMS methods. And the next question is, what are the different features of the product A? So the different features of the product A, it is review and feedback system. So yes and no recommendation survey. It has review requests via physical cards, email and SMS. uh, Smart redirection to Google, Facebook, and it has negative feedback interception and conflict resolution. Another feature is analytics and reputation management, listing consistency across 100 directories or review aggregation from Google, Facebook, etc. It centralizes review response dashboard. So the next question is, what is the step-by-step user journey of the subscribing companies admins of this product A? So the super admin journey is like, the first step is sets up the platform and business account. Second is it configures branding, review links and priority platform. Third one is it enables email, SMS and card based review flows. Fourth one is manage systems, wide settings and pricing. Fifth one is monitors, platforms, analytics and system health. Sixth one is provides upgrades like listing, cleanup and integration. Seventh one is the support multiple business using the platform. The next question is, what is the step-by-step journey of subscribing companies admin of this product A? So subscribing companies admin user journey is the workflow of that is, first one is signing up and complete one time setup, receives custom branded review cards, third one is uploads customer data via CSV, email or phone. Fourth one is system automatically sends a review request, so the happy customer are redirected to Google reviews. The negative feedback is captured internally. Next step is admin receives alert and follows up. Next step is views all reviews in one dashboard, then manages listings, social mentions and competitors, then downloads reports for marketing decisions. The next question is, what is the step-by-step user journey of the end user of this product A? So the end user journey is for completing a service, then receives a card, email or SMS, then answers like would you recommend us, then if yes, redirected to correct review platform, leaves a quick easy review, if no, gives private feedback, or option to request manager follow up, then gets confirmation and incentive entry, then journey ends smoothly without friction. So coming up to the next question, number 18. High-level observation was the video explains service well, but is feature-heavy. It should focus more on business outcomes, ROI, rate of interest, and client pain points. Mid-level suggestion is like add real-world examples before versus after, or time to market savings, revenue or efficiency impact. Then the low-level suggestion is timestamp based. First 20 to 30-second hook is weak. So start with a strong problem statement. Middle section, reduce technical jargon, and at the end, add a strong CTA with a clear next step. And the next, thank you.